Well, howdy.
Well, I went that way because I didn't know you were filming.
Steve's here.
What's up, guys?
Recognize Steve?
I'm the weird person that interrupts and tells Caleb he's wrong.
Yeah, exactly. And turns out Lunchbox didn't harm him.
Yeah.
He just made us all think he did.
Yeah.
All right, well, check this out. So I got an email from Nilight. And they said, hey, can I send you some lights so you can try out and see if you like them? I said, yeah. So they sent me a box. I'll show you what's in the box. So we got 4 puck lights. These things are actually pretty cool. I'm really excited about them because they've got a strip of LEDs in the middle and all the individual ones. So I'm kind of hoping this gives me a good mix between like a direct and a flood. And we're gonna put 2 of them on here, and 2 of them are gonna go on Ben's 8.1.
I like that it's got the 5 across as well, because you see all those cheap eBay ones, they're all 4 across. Or at least all the ones I've seen. I like that. Oh, that was pretty cool.
Yeah. I didn't actually catch that.
So you got 2 extra.
I don't know a ton about these lights. This is pretty awesome. Comes with a completely integrated wiring harness with instructions. So it tells you exactly what to connect and what wire and where. And it's got a harness with the relay and a switch. And it's pretty generic stuff, so like if something goes bad, you don't have to get something specialty. You can go to any parts house and get what you need to fix it. But also you can use it on any application. Super universal. Probably gonna use it on Ben's. And the reason we're gonna use it on Ben's is because this is already wired for lights. I had some lights on here before, but they were super cheap ones. They didn't last very long. Also, they weren't made to be bashed into rocks, so it wasn't good for the health of the light. So yeah, watch us install these. We're gonna put these together.
That's nice. You don't have to deal with putting that in there. It's got a captured nut in there already, so you can thread right into that.
The nuts are not the same size as the bolts, which is something I wish everybody would just start doing. If you're gonna sell a kit and you have a nut that's that size and a bolt that's that size, just make them the same size. Then you only have to get 1 wrench or 1 socket.
Are they metric or are they standard?
Standard.
They're both standard at least. But what size are the 2? You said the nut and the bolt were different sizes?
Yeah. Bolts are 14s. Maybe they're 1/2 inch because there's a little play in there. The nut is a 1/2 inch for sure. Yeah, don't say that. Say dadgum.
Dadgum.
Put your dadgum thing on your thing. Let's see here. I'm gonna want these basically flat. I wonder if I should put them out a little, or right there. I think right there, that's pretty protected. Way better than my last ones were. And there's already an existing hole, which is neat.
That is neat. That's less neat.
That hole's kind of big for what we need though. I might end up putting it in that one. Maybe that one. Did I assemble that wrong? That seems like that's way too long to...
That is quite long. What other bracket options? Is that it? Yeah, it appears to be it.
Well, I suppose that's why you have Instructables.
Do you?
Yeah.
Neat. I would say instructions are overrated, but we need them.
They're sometimes overrated.
It's not a very,
Sometimes evenly rated.
It's not a very large instruction manual.
That is one wiring diagram. That's it. It does say that the operating voltage is 12 volt DC. So that's great.
That bracket looks very different.
The bracket does look very different. Well, what did I screw up here? Hello, son. What are you doing?
Got that one.
You got that one? Dude, you don't have any shoes on. You shouldn't be out here. You go get your shoes on?
Yeah.
You don't put that around your neck. Go put your shoes on, dude.
Hey, Papa.
Love you, dude.
Love you.
I hope the mic picked that up. That's adorable. Ow. I just whacked myself in the face. That's
I hope the
awesome.
camera caught that too.
Well, that's pretty dumb. Sorry, Nilight.
Wait a minute. Doesn't go through the bottom. That's captured too. Oh.
Oh.
So I don't make it die. Yeah.
Oh.
That's captured too.
Alright.
That's not dumb. That's
We're
actually
dumb.
kind of awesome.
Nilight's cool. Alright. My bad.
I mean, instructions would have been helpful for that.
Yeah, and you gotta realize that it's dumb rednecks doing this. That means you guys too, I'm just saying. We're not the only dumb rednecks.
Yeah, I'm not even from this country, but in case you guys hadn't caught on yet, I'm fairly rednecky also.
You are a Scottish American redneck.
Mm-hmm.
You're a Scot that's been rather Americanized.
Mm-hmm. I'm not upset about it. Because I like American things, like Second Amendments.
And burgers.
Burgers are neat too.
Yeah.
I can get burgers with my Second Amendment.
This cow is now mine.
This cow is now a burger.
Because I have Second Amendment. This is my Second Amendment cow. Alright, that's actually pretty slick. I like that. I want to move these kind of diagonal just a little bit.
What now?
Just a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Hey, these are pretty durable.
Hey, hold on to it better before you do. I barely touched this as well.
That's what...
Hey, holding it is intelligent. I have an excuse. This hand basically doesn't exist. That thumb's for show.
Excuses are like cornholes. Everybody's got one.
Yeah, but some are better than others.
I wouldn't know. Hey, Steve, cut that out of there.
I probably won't.
No deal.
I left it in.
Oh, yeah. I angled it out just a little bit because I think it'll give me better flood.
I might be angled up more. I mean, you can't.
No, I went all the way.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. I was trying to match it
Looks like the same as you did.
based on how it was. I'm not quite all the way, but guess we'll see here in a moment. Did you go lock washer, nut?
Yeah.
And you went on.
I did the big hole.
You went on the big hole.
Yeah, because that gave me enough room to twist it out a little.
Hey, some stupid person scratched up your light already.
Thing about that is, these are gonna see some abuse. It's gonna get scratched more.
Yeah.
It's gonna get scratched a lot more.
You're probably gonna bounce this side off a rock.
Yeah, or lots of other things.
Like Buicks?
One of them was a Buick. Is that fastened?
No, because it. Wait, fastened? What do you mean?
Did you tighten the bolt? The nut.
Oh, yes.
the
That
nut,
is
if
fastened.
you will.
I didn't crank it hard, but
Doesn't need a hard cranking.
just a decent snugging.
Okay. Pluggy any oney. Have to do something with the extra wire.
I didn't try to push it, but I totally put it on the wrong way for a second there.
Yeah, whatever.
Hey, I didn't say I was smart.
SMRT. Okay, moment of truth. I don't know, it's daylight and I can see them come on.
Well, and that's with this garbage on them too.
Yeah.
Fog them up slightly.
Oh yeah, that's bright. Check that out. Flip the switch and all three of them come on. Name that song. I guess it, but when we pulled out the switch, all three of them come on. I'd say that's pretty successful. What'd that take us, like 5 minutes?
Yeah. And we didn't.
And I had to
run
wire
the-
stuff in.
We didn't run the wires, but
Yeah, but the original ones, they just plug in like this. They just have the space. So that's easy. You don't even have to butt connect like I did. I just was using existing wiring, so I'd say that's successful. So mine's already wired in with a fusible link, but this one has it, and it comes with extra fuses, which is Neato Burrito.
So for your wiring, you would have to run power to your relay, and then run power out to your rocker switch, drill a hole for your rocker switch and your dash. I don't know what size that is. It doesn't say here, so I can't tell you.
3/4 looks like.
About a 3/4.
Which is typically done with a stepper bit, in my opinion.
Yeah.
It's cute and sleek. I like it.
Even if you had to run all that, it's not hard.
Not hard. Not hard at all. Well, I will definitely abuse these things. So you guys want to see longevity? Just see how long they last on old Black Betty, and you'll see if they can take some abuse. Because abuse is something that I can dish out.
Mm-hmm.
That is for sure. Thanks, Nilight. Appreciate it.